Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. We can aggregate hierarchically indexed data using common aggregation methods like mean, sum, min, or max. Let's demonstrate it on the following multi-indexed data frame that we used in one of the preceding parts in this series. So here's our object. We use the fromProduct method to create it. Here's the rows, columns, and some mock data. And here's our data frame. We already used it on a couple of occasions. And here are some examples. First, let's find the minimum sales and purchases for each year. So, min, and the level is year. The result is minimum sales and minimum purchases for each company for each year. And now, the maximum purchases and sales. So very similar. Now the function is max and the level is year again. Now we get the maximum sales and purchases for each company for each year. Next, let's find the mean purchases and sales for each year. So we use the min function and we set level to year. What we get is this: the mean sales and the mean purchases for each company for each year. And finally, let's sum the purchases and sales for each year. So here we use the sum method, and the level is year again. And now what we get is this. Here are the sums of all sales and purchases for each year. You can also use the axis keyword if you want to use the methods on the columns too. For example, let's find the minimum sales and purchases among all the three companies. So we use here axis set to 1 to indicate that we want to work on the columns. And what we get is this. We got the minimum sales and purchases among all three companies. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.